Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a few DIYs, Valentine's Day DIYs. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I want to give a big shout out to my channel members. Maria Slanda, Eckers Vlogs, USA Livestream TV Gadgets and Things, Marcos Eats, Savvy1619, and Rosie P. I will be leaving their links in my description box so that you guys can go check them all out. For this DIY, I'm going to be using these socks, the glue gun, this bag right here, this like fake fur, and these pom-poms. I put this whole bag in the sock, and then I double the socks because you was able to see right through it. And then now I'm just gonna make a knot. What I'm gonna do is just put this sock over, so I'm gonna take this little pom-pom and put a little bit of glue on it. And glue it right there. And that's the nose. And I'm gonna make a beard. Like that. He's looking cute already. Now I'm gonna put this pom-pom on the end of the hat over here. For this DIY, I'm going to be using this little box from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to use this paper right here that came with this banner I bought. And I'll be using some chalk paint, a brush, glue gun, glue sticks, and some of these little stickers. So I'm gonna start with this little box, and I'm gonna pop this little star off. I'm gonna start by painting the whole box white. This part right here doesn't really matter because I'm covering it. but I'm gonna paint the whole thing. I'm gonna let this dry now, and then I'll come back to it. Now that my little frame is dry, I'm just gonna place this paper that I cut out in here. You can glue it if you want, but you really don't have to. Now I'm just gonna glue these little hearts right here on each corner. Now I'm gonna place this little wood heart right here in the middle. For this next DIY, I'm going to be using this little wood heart and these hearts and these, the glue gun, this paint, and the brush. I'm just going to pour some paint on this and paint the heart. Don't mind Josie in the back because she's in a mood today. So I'm gonna paint the whole thing. So I'm gonna let this dry. And I gave it one coat. With this one, now that it's dry, I'm only gonna place this little heart in the middle. For this DIY, I'm going to be using this little jar from the Dollar Tree, these hearts, and my glue gun, and probably some ribbon. This already has glue on it, and I'm just putting this heart right here in the middle. And then I'm gonna glue this one on top of it. Wrap this ribbon around the lid. Now I'm just gonna make a little bow. Josie's calling Stormy a rat. I don't understand. And she thinks it's funny. I'm just taking my ribbon, putting it together, and then tying this around it. Now I'm just gonna glue it right here. Take it off because and I'm gonna just fill it up with some now laters. This one is not really a DIY. I'm just gonna put this paper, this little bag around it. And then now I'm just gonna take this bowl, this ribbon, and make a bowl. So here's my bowl. And then I'm gonna take this little heart, place it right here. For this next DIY, I'm going to be using these plates from the Dollar Tree and these candle holders from Michael's, but Dollar Tree also carries holders like this. And then my glue gun. I'm just going to put glue on the bottom of the rim. And if you want this to be permanent, then you want to use E6000. And place it in the middle. And then I'm going to put glue on top over here. And then place this one over here. And then I'm doing the same thing again. So if you don't have a 3-tier tray or a 2-tier tray, you could just go to Dollar Tree and make your own.